Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 24th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell programming. Now in this tutorial I'm just gonna discuss a little bit of theory with you, and maybe if we have time we'll prepare a shell script, but I don't think we will. So what I'm gonna talk about is operator precedence. Now what does operator precedence mean? In the last tutorial, when we learned to perform arithmetic operations, I discussed 5 operators with you, right? And let me first open my script file. This was it. And there you go, these are my 5 operators. I have the addition operator, I have the subtraction operator, I have the multiplication operator, then the division operator, and the modular division operator. So these are the 5 operators that I discussed. Now all these operators, if they appear in a single mathematical expression, then they have a particular order, a specific order in which they would evaluate. And the first priority is given to the division, multiplication, and modular division operators. That is, let me clear out this section for you. That is the division and the multiplication and the modular division have the same priority, and the addition and the subtraction have the same priority, but their priority is not the same as the priority that these guys enjoy. So what I mean by that is, if in a expression you have division, multiplication, and subtraction first, then these operations will be performed first, and then addition and subtraction would be performed, right? And you guys can verify that at your own end. You can prepare a shell script with a random expression, and you can execute it and see how it goes. Now what if you wish to change the order of precedence? If suppose you have an expression like this one, check this out. I'm gonna create 2 more variables as a matter of fact in this script. Let me change the value of a to 30 first. Then I'll have c, and I'll give it a value, let's say 2, and I'll have d, and I'll give it a value, say 5, right? And if suppose I wish to evaluate an expression like $a multiplied by the result of the addition of $b and $c, and if I wish to divide the entire thing by $d. Now when I would perform this evaluation, when I would evaluate this expression using expr, the shell would say that, okay, I have multiplication operator here and it appears first, so let me first multiply $a with $b, and then I'll probably add it to $c, and okay, no, maybe I won't add it because division enjoys higher priority than the addition symbol. So I'll first divide $c by $d, and then I'll add the output of $a plus $b and $c plus $d. But that's not what we want. What we want the shell is to do is to first add $b to $c, and then to multiply the output of the addition of these 2 operators to $a, and then divide the entire thing by $d, right? So that's what we wanted to do. Now how do we do that? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these I'm going to put this middle expression in parentheses, or parents, you can call them whatever you want. And what this is going to do is it's going to instruct the shell to perform this part of the expression before anything else. Now the parents have a special meaning to this shell. They cannot be used in in this way. What we would have to do to take the special meaning away is escape them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the escape character here, and I'm also going to put the escape character here, and I'll have to give a space between all of my items in the expression. And this is very important. If you are performing a simple addition like $a plus $b, then you'll have to give a space between $a and the addition symbol, and $b and the addition symbol. If you don't do that, then expr just won't evaluate, and it's a very stubborn tool actually, and it can be very frustrating debugging your scripts when you have errors like these. So that's it. I'm gonna use expr, and I'm gonna put this entire thing in reverse quotes, right? And I'm gonna echo out the output on screen, and I'm gonna save this file, And remember, I haven't created a new script, so my file name is ss8.sh. I'll clear the terminal for you guys, and there we go. We're ready to execute ss8.sh. When I press the enter key, I get the output 102, and we can actually check if you guys want. What has happened is we first added 15 to 2, so the output is 17. Then we multiplied 17 with 30, and what would be the output of that? Would be 17 times 3 is 51. So 510 when divided by 5 gives us the output 52. So sorry, 102. So you can check. I have my calculator here. Otherwise, you can do it on your own. 510 divided by 5 is nothing but 102. So that's it. That's all I wanted to discuss in this tutorial. I hope you've got the idea behind operator precedence and why it is important, and how you can get around it if you want to basically do anything that's against the rules that have been specified, and that's by using parentheses. And you'll have to escape the parentheses just like you escape your multiplication operator. And yeah, that's pretty much it. In the next tutorial, we'll learn to perform arithmetic operations on real numbers, that is numbers with decimal points in them. And yeah, that's for the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.